Hi everyone, my name is Tori, and today I want to share with you my secret to learning languages the lazy way. Yes, you heard it right. I've managed to learn 5 languages without the traditional study methods, and I'm here to tell you how you can do it too. First things first, forget about cramming grammar rules and vocabulary lists. Instead, immerse yourself in the language in ways you enjoy. Watch movies, binge-watch TV shows, and listen to music in your target language. I've spent countless hours just enjoying content, and guess what? I was learning without even realizing it. Another lazy trick is to change the language settings on your devices. Your phone, computer, social media, switch them all to the language you're learning. This way, you're constantly exposed to the language in a natural context. Next, chat with native speakers online. Apps like HelloTalk and Tandem make it super easy. You don't need to schedule formal lessons. Just have casual conversations, and you'll pick up the language naturally. Plus, making friends around the world is a great bonus. I also love using language learning apps. You can choose from a huge variety of learning apps, something that is suitable for you to use for your studying routine. They make learning feel like playing a game. You can do a few minutes here and there whenever you have some downtime, no need for long, boring study sessions. Reading books and comics in your target language is another great way. Choose something you find interesting or entertaining. It doesn't have to be serious literature. Even a fun novel or a comic strip works wonders. Lastly, don't stress about perfection. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Enjoy the journey and celebrate small wins. The lazy way is about integrating the language into your everyday life without making it a chore.